I have said for a long time now, this is the new wonder drug, and it is. It is a remarkable medicine.
There was a study that came out several years ago, I believe it was in 2006. THC is the best substance available for preventing the plaque associated with the development of Alzheimer's disease.
When we're talking about cannabis, and we're talking about very serious diseases like multiple sclerosis, diabetes, Alzheimer's, ALS, cancer, we're not just talking about symptomatic relief, but in some cases we're actually talking about the ability to treat the disease itself at the same time we're treating symptoms.
Not much could make me happier than hearing that if I smoke marijuana, or eat marijuana, or vaporize marijuana, that I'm less likely to get dementia from Alzheimer's disease, because I think that's one of the worst illnesses a person can suffer.
We've known for more than 3 decades that the compounds in marijuana, and not just THC, but several different compounds in marijuana, have this ability to selectively target and kill cancerous cells while leaving the healthy cells alone.
Donald Tashkin set out to prove that marijuana causes lung cancer, but he actually found in this very state-of-the-art large study of a patient population that people who are regular chronic users of marijuana reduce their chances of getting lung cancer. Cannabinoids prevent the spread of breast cancer cells, induce the death of pancreatic cancer cells, targets glioblastoma cells for death, and spares the healthy cells in the brain surrounding them. All of this is science that is documented with over 200 footnotes from peer-reviewed journal abstracts.
The first thing I learned, much to my surprise, was how remarkably non-toxic this substance was.
Since 1999, I have advocated legalizing marijuana. In any category, marijuana is safer than alcohol.
You're not hurting yourself at all. You're doing yourself an enormous amount of benefit when you ingest marijuana. Protecting yourself from cancer, you're protecting yourself from Alzheimer's disease. You're increasing your chances of having a vital, helpful life. Contrary to what we've been told, people say, marijuana's bad, it kills brain cells. Completely wrong. The truth, the science has shown us it's completely contrary to that. Cannabinoids induce what's called adult hippocampal neurogenesis, and this is the production of healthy, functional new brain cells. Dr. Dean Ornish, who is a diet specialist, has said, if you want to have a better brain, drink green tea, eat blueberries, eat sugar-free chocolate, and use marijuana. All of these compounds work to protect the health of the brain and stimulate neurogenesis. I had no idea. I would hold my head and walk around my house in amazement at how much information there is that marijuana is a really helpful, beneficial substance to us.
The number of symptoms and syndromes for which cannabis is useful has expanded almost exponentially in the last few years.
Not only does it have the ability to treat such a broad range of symptoms, obviously that's why marijuana is already popular as a medicine, but also because cannabis in some cases can treat the underlying disease condition. And that's something most conventional medications can't do.
Marijuana, once it is free of the prohibition tariff, it will be significantly less expensive than the pharmaceutical substances which it displaces. I have said for a long time now, this is the new wonder drug, and it is.